How to add new domain in Godaddy. Ready to grab a new domain for your brand or project? Here's how to do it on Godaddy. Start by logging in and heading to the domain section. Click search domain and enter your desired name. Browse the available options. Godaddy will also suggest similar names if yours is taken. Once you find the perfect one, click add to cart. Review the add-ons like privacy protection or email hosting. These are optional but recommended for security. Proceed to checkout. Choose your registration period and complete your payment. After that, the domain is yours and will show up in your dashboard immediately. Register your domain for multiple years if it's a long-term project. It reduces the risk of losing it later. What's your favorite domain name you have ever registered? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.